Hey everyone, today I'd like to show you how to determine the IHP or indicated horsepower of an engine. And in this example, I'm going to give you the CAT or the Caterpillar 3516 model. It's a V16 diesel engine. And also I'm going to give you the brake horsepower calculation. And we're going to base this calculation from formula IHP equals P times L times A times N times N. And I'm gonna explain to you in details the calculations, and I'm gonna start with the stroke in feet. So we're gonna get the stroke in inches because we're gonna convert that into feet. So that would be uh, divided divide that into 12, and then that would give you 0.71 stroke in feet. And then next one would be the area is square inch. I'm gonna need a pi for this because we're talking about an area, and the cylinder is the bore is cylindrical, so we're gonna need a pi for this. So that would be equal sign and then pi. That is for the 3.1416 pi. Then I'm gonna get the open and close parentheses. Then I'm gonna multiply that by uh, the bore in inches. So we're gonna get the bore in inches. That would be in this one 6.69. Then divide that by 2, and then close it by parentheses, and then I'm gonna get the I'm gonna square it. So I'm gonna get number 2. Then enter. So the area of the piston or the bore would be 35 square inch. And then next is I'm gonna get the power stroke per minute. The power stroke is the downward stroke of the piston after a combustion inside the cylinder, that will transmit power to the whatever load that the engine is carrying. So this is for a four-stroke engine. So four-stroke engine has has four strokes, two downward stroke and two upward stroke. Okay, so I'm gonna get the power stroke per minute, and that would be let me get the equal sign again, and then that would be the RPM, which is 1800 RPM, revolution per minute, and that would be the engine speed. I'm gonna divide that by 2, then enter. Then I got 900 power stroke per minute. Then now let's calculate the IHP. So again, equal sign. Then the first thing that I'm gonna get is uh, the mean effective pressure 120 psi. That would be the P of the formula. Then I'm gonna multiply that by the next one is um, the stroke in feet, 0.71 feet. Then multiply that by um, area, the area in square inch. Then again multiply that by um, power stroke, 900 power stroke per minute. So again, I'm gonna multiply that by the number of cylinders and 16 cylinders. So I'm gonna close it, and then I'm gonna divide that by 33,000. So what is 33,000? That is the 33,000 foot-pound force per minute, or also equals to 1 horsepower. So I'm gonna, okay. So what we got here is the 1,304 IHP. So for the brake horsepower, it's simple. I'm gonna get the equal sign again, and then get the IHP, and then I'm gonna multiply that by the mechanical efficiency of 90%, assuming we get 90% mechanical efficiency, and then that would be 1,173 brake horsepower of BHP. So I hope you like this presentation, and thank you for watching, and see you again next time.